Hey my fellow classmates and teacher, welcome to my science experiment my science experiment video. So today I'll be showing you how to create a cool volcano using simple ingredients you can find at home. So yes, this experiment is not just fun to watch. Mine will be definitely fun to watch. It also helps us to learn about the chemical reactions between acids and bases and gas formation. Let's get started. This is going to be very safe and very easy to do. So, what is this experiment about? This experiment is a reaction between vinegar, which is an acid, and baking soda, which is a base. When they mix, they create a gas called carbon dioxide. And when we add washing up liquid, it traps the gas and makes a foamy explosion like a lava from a volcano. This is why I'm very excited. So the things you will need for your volcano eruption, it is baking soda, vinegar, washing liquid, your dishwashing liquid, food coloring to make it look cool, especially red food coloring to make tray or plastic to catch the foam. Yes, this is my baking soda, this is my vinegar. I'm still going to let it chill for some time, and my dishwashing liquid is right here. So yes, so here is my volcano. I know it's pretty. So now I'll be adding my baking soda. I need just 1 spoon. Oh, I'm coming. Let me measure it properly. So here's my baking soda. I'll add it to the base. I'll make sure it's in the middle. Yes. And in a separate bowl, I will be adding vinegar, food coloring, and washing liquid. Dishwashing liquid. I'll be using 1-2 cup of vinegar. I'll add my vinegar first. Oh, okay. Nice. Definitely looks like water. So now I'll be adding 1 spoon of dishwashing liquid. Yes. Wow. And this is my food coloring, so I'll be adding, let's say, 1 cup of it. I can't lie, I am very excited. Oh, I think that was too much, but it's good. It's all right. Yeah, so now this is it mixed. I'm so excited. So back to my volcano. Let me bring the mixture and I'll add it to it, okay? So here goes nothing. Oh wow! Oh my god! So nice! Now this is a volcano. I'm saying this because I'm just so excited that it actually turned out like this. Wow. Yes. I'm gonna wait for you to see it. Oh. Wow, that was so fun. Yes. Wow. Wow, this is after it has, erupted. As you can see, it's really amazing. So what you've seen there is a volcano, the volcanic eruption. Let's learn some science, okay? Because that was so amazing. So now let's learn some science. So this shows a chemical. What you've just seen shows a chemical reaction between an acid and a base, and the acid was vinegar and the base was baking soda. So now it released carbon dioxide gas, and when it's released, it causes effervescence. That means bubbles and fizzing. We also learn about the state of matter. Baking soda baking soda equals solid, vinegar equals liquid, carbon dioxide, that the result is carbon dioxide gas. So yes, and we learn how surface area affects reaction. If you use the solid block of baking soda, there is less area for the reaction because it's blocked, and the vinegar won't be able to get into the baking soda. Yes, now what are the questions? Helps to trap gas into bubbles, making the eruption look big and foamy like you just saw. Now, what if I added baking soda to the vinegar instead? It would still react, but the foam might push the rest of the baking soda away, stopping the full reaction. So if you added it before, it would have pushed the baking soda away, like it will stop the reaction. Though you might see some bubbles, but it won't have risen as it did. So yes. So what now? Another question. What if I used a solid block of baking soda? It would have erupted slower because only the outer surface reacts. Powder reacts faster because there is more surface area. Now, for what we learned from this, experiment, we learned about chemical reactions, acid and bases, gas production, states of matter. We saw solids, liquids, and gas. Yes, and we learned about surface area. So now all the questions have been answered. Don't worry, the cleanup is easy because of the soap in it. I just have to rinse this now. And if I show you the project now, there is nothing there. It has cooled down, everything has gone down, and that shows that after the bubble it's all settled back, just like a real volcano, because after it bubbles up, it comes down. It bubbles up and comes down. I mean, a volcano cannot just go up and then stay everywhere. There will be lava everywhere. So once it goes up, it comes down. So this is just like a real volcano, but safer. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation. It remains me once again, Omojola. Thank you so much. Have a blessed and wonderful weekend. See you next time. Bye.